Good morning, children. Student, let's start the another chapter number 2, and that will be business organization, or we can say form of business organization. Now, when we say about form of business organization means we are talking about the different manner of starting a business. It means एक business को start करने के एक बिजनेस को आप किस अलग अलग फॉर्म में स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, राइट? सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज फॉर्म ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो एज यू कैन सी 5 arrow here. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the 5 different form of business organization, right? It means where a enterprise can start his business in any 5 form, right? So let's discuss what are these different 5 forms. So the first form of business organization is sole proprietorship. The second, partnership. Third, joint Hindu family. And fourth, joint stock company. The fifth, cooperative society. So these are the different 5 form of business organization. Any person who want to start a business need to go through with any one form of business organization, like whether he want to start a business as a form of sole proprietorship, he want to start a business as a form of partnership form of business organization, or the business is there as a form of joint Hindu family or joint stock company or cooperative society. So these are a different form, or these are a different manner by which the business can be started, which is called as the different 5 form of business organization. So let's start with sole proprietor. What is sole proprietor? Now sole proprietor, we also say SP, right? That is the short form of sole proprietor. Sole proprietorship basically means, sole means a single, right? It is made by 2 words, sole plus proprietor, where sole basically means single and proprietor basically means owner, right? So in a form of business organization where there is a single person owner of a business who is going to be fully getting the profit of business and who need to bear out the whole losses of a business, is going to be called as sole proprietorship form of business. Now as you can see from the diagram here, a store is there. This we are taking an example of general store. Single person is standing over near to the store, means I am trying to explain you that this person is the owner of this general store. All the investment done by in the store for purchasing any kind of product is done by this person only, right? In case this general store have any profit, that will belong to this person single, and in case there is any losses occur, he is the only one who need to bear out the whole losses also. So simply means sole means single, alone, proprietor means owner. Any form of business organization which is run, governed, managed, and the whole profit and losses are bear by a single person is going to be called as sole proprietorship. Examples, in your houses, in your neighborhood, there are many shop which you can able to see जहाँ पे कि एक सिंगल ओनर होता है. उस शॉप में अगर प्रॉफिट भी होंगे, लॉसेस भी होंगे, दैट पर्सन इज द ओनली वन हु इज गोइंग टू बेयर आउट, who is going to handle out, who is going to manage the whole shop, right? So any kind of business where a single person is going to be owner of that business, a single person is going to get the profit and loss of a business, a single person is going to manage, take decision of the business, is going to be called as sole proprietorship form of business organization. I am again repeating it here. So sole means single, alone. Proprietor means owner. So from here only it should be clear to you, a single owner of a business, right? Now let's go forward more. When we talk about sole proprietorship, or as we say that he is a single person who is managing the business, right? So we can also say it in a way that a business which is owned, managed and controlled by a single owner is going to be called as sole proprietorship, right? मीन्स एक ऐसा बिजनेस जो कि कंट्रोल हो रहा है, मैनेज हो रहा है, और जो कि ओनर कौन है, एक सिंगल पर्सन है, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. नाउ इट इज़ कॉमन इन एरियाज ऑफ पर्सनलाइज सर्विसेज. पर्सनलाइज सर्विसेज मीन्स जो अब एनी काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस which is based on the personal services, providing a personal services, like you can see the beauty parlors, the saloons, these all are what? A personalized services, right? Now examples is there: retail shop, beauty parlor, saloon. These all are going to be called as sole proprietorship form of business organization, right? Now let's discuss the different feature of sole proprietorship form of business organization. Now the first feature say formation and closure. Formation and closure basically say formation means starting, closure means ending. It means when we talk about the starting and closing of sole proprietorship, there is no separate legal entity which governs sole proprietorship. Anyone can start this business anytime, or anyone can start this business anytime. So this is a complete choice of a owner, that when he want to start a business, that is formation of a business, and when he want to close that business, and it does not require a long procedure for doing that. That is the reason we are saying that the formation and the closure of sole proprietorship form of business organization is very easy in comparison to other form of business organization. Now let's talk about the liability of sole proprietorship. When we say about the liability of sole proprietorship, SP, right? A short form you will be using SP, right? So SP has a unlimited liabilities. Liabilities is something, children, which is going to be coming in your every chapter, especially in the second chapter, right? Liability basically means क्या हुआ? Liability basically means that if we are working as a owner, we are liable also for someone. For whom we are liable? We are liable for our customer, right? We are liable for those people जिनसे हमने क्या लिया है? लोन लिया है, right? So liability in the sense that if anything wrong happen in your business, or the business goes into a losses manner, so the SP will have unlimited liabilities. Unlimited liability basically means where in case he is not able to pay out a debt amount from the money which he have in his business, in that case he need to pay out that amount by selling his personal assets also. I will just give you example of this. Suppose this person who's you can able to see in the picture here is having this general store, right? For starting this general store, he has taken a loan of 50,000 from someone by giving a promise that he will be repaying this loan by 1 year, right? Now within 1 year he was not able to work properly, and you can see that the profit was not achieved by him, and he was unable to pay out the 50,000 loan to that person, and 1 year was crossed. Here what is going to happen? Here this person need to pay out the 50,000 rupees money to the person from whom he has taken loan, right? जिससे उसने लोन लिया है. और for this, if he does not have that much of money into his general store, then he need to sell out his personal assets also. Like suppose A ने B से लोन लिया है 50,000 का, राइट? ए के 1 year का टाइम था, ए 1 year के टाइम में उस लोन को रिपे नहीं कर पाया. नाउ बी इज़ आस्किंग फॉर मनी, बी अपनी मनी को वापस लेना चाह रहा है, और 1 year क्रॉस हो गए. सो इन दैट केस ए नीड टू गिव मनी टू बी. उसके लिए ए क्या करेगा? अपनी पर्सनल एसेट्स को भी सोल्ड कर देगा, राइट? ही मे सोल्ड इज मोबाइल, ही मे सोल्ड इज प्रॉपर्टीज, एनीथिंग. सो दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज अनलिमिटेड लाइबिलिटीज, जहाँ पे कि आप डैमेज कंट्रोल क्या कर रहे हैं? अपने पर्सनल एसेट्स से भी क्लियर कर रहे हैं, राइट? नाउ एसपी की सबसे बड़ी फीचर्स यही होती है कि जो इसकी लाइबिलिटीज़ होती हैं वो कैसी होती हैं? अनलिमिटेड होती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज इफ वी से अबाउट the next feature of SP, that is sole risk bearer and profit recipient. Now this is the third feature of SP, sole proprietorship, and this feature say that sole proprietorship form a business organization. The owner is the sole risk bearer. Sole means alone, single, right? He is a single person who need to bear the risk, and he is the single person who need to receive the profit also. इट मीन्स एसपी में अगर प्रॉफिट होता है तब एक सिंगल पर्सन है जो उस पूरे प्रॉफिट को क्या करेगा? एंजॉय करेगा. इन केस सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप फॉर्म ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैव सर्टेन लॉसेस, देन ऑल्सो ही विल बी अ सिंगल पर्सन हु हैज़ टू बेयर आउट द होल लॉसेस, राइट? Now this is the third feature of SP. Now go through with the next one, and that is control. Now when we talk about control feature of SP, control feature of SP basically say that control is of the owner of a business, right? Now who is controlling the business? This is what we have already done in the definition also, that sole proprietorship form of business organization is that form of business in which it is controlled, managed, governed by a single person only, right? It means कौन कंट्रोल कर रहा है इसे? सिंगल पर्सन कर रहा है, और वो सिंगल पर्सन कौन है? द ओनर, राइट? सो दिस इज द another feature of SP. Now let's talk about the next feature, that say no separate entity. No separate entity basically say that law not differentiate owner and business. Now here you need to understand separate entity. If I remove no from A, I got a concept of separate entity. Separate entity का क्या मतलब होता है? अगर हमने suppose A has started a business of general store, right? So what is going to happen here? A पूरे जनरल स्टोर को क्या कर रहा है? कंट्रोल कर रहा है, सारे डिसीजन ए ले रहा है, उसको मैनेज करने का काम ए कर रहा है. इन केस प्रॉफिट आ रहा है ए उसको रिसीव कर रहा है, इन केस लॉसेस आ रहे हैं ए उस लॉस को क्या कर रहा है? बेयर कर रहा है. इट मीन्स दैट जनरल स्टोर वी कैन नॉट डिफ्रेंशिएट फ्रॉम ए और जनरल स्टोर को आप डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर पाओगे. वाई? बिकॉज इन केस ए इज गोइंग थ्रू विद अ प्रॉफिट मैनर, इट मीन्स वो क्या होगा? पॉजिटिवली कहाँ रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा? जनरल स्टोर को करेगा. अगर आपका स्टोर प्रॉफिट में चल रहा है तो डेफिनेटली ए भी प्रॉफिट में चलेगा. अगर आपके स्टोर में लॉसेस हो रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली ए को भी लॉसेस होंगे. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि एसपी क्या होता है? एक सेपरेट एंटिटी नहीं होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि कंडीशन ऑफ उसके बिजनेस उसको इफेक्ट करती हैं, राइट? बट देर आर सर्टेन बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच हैव अ सेपरेट एंटिटी. उनकी जो कंडीशन होती है बिजनेस की वो उनकी पर्सनल कंडीशन को इफेक्ट नहीं करता है. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एसपी, द लॉ नॉट डिफ्रेंशिएट ओनर एंड बिजनेस. लॉ की नज़र में ओनर और बिजनेस एक ही हैं. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न अगर बिजनेस में कोई डेब्ट अराइज हुए हैं, बिजनेस को किसी का अमाउंट लोन फॉर्म में पे करना है, तो वो ओनर के पर्सनल एसेट से भी पे हो सकता है. So this is the another feature of SP, sole proprietorship. Now these are a very important features of sole proprietorship. Let's go ahead, and that is lack of business continuity. Now very important again here, lack of business continuity. It means sole proprietorship form of business organization में जो business होता है वो क्या लैक करता है? continuity को लैक करता है. And reason behind this is that till a owner, a single person is the owner here, if owner is fine, then the business will run. In case something wrong happened with the owner, he is physically not fit, he is mentally disturbed or anything else happened, he is died, right? So business क्या हो जाएगा? business बंद हो जाएगा. We need to close the business, we need to wind up the business. Why? Because there is a single person owner. If he is not well, the business will close. So that is the reason we say